Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasuket with Fusion 360 3D Pencils tutorial practice exercise number 12 with this reference image from mufasuket.com. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel here. Click OK and active notification, checklist and save to get our new tutorial. Okay, we start now. Open your Fusion software and I will create line. You can click at this plane. We create line start from this point to the right, to the bottom, to the right here, and move to the top. Move to the right, to the bottom again, to the right, and then to the top. The last to the right here, and OK. Give dimension for this line object 5. Okay, this line object 1, and this line object 1. For this line object 2. Okay, this line object 3, and this line object 1. The last this line object 7. Okay, I will create line object. Start from this point to the bottom here. Now I will use mirror command to mirror this object with mirror line. I will select this line and OK to finish. Okay, I will select this line object, delete. We create line, start from this point to the bottom here and then to the right. Okay, give a dimension for this line object 1, and this line object about 20. Okay, we create a line object, start from this point to the bottom here and give a dimension for this line 25. Okay, I will select at this point, right click and then click here fix or unfix. Okay, you can see this icon green, and then I will create a RC object with a 3-point RC. Start from this point to this point and move to here. Okay, we give a dimension for this RC object 15 and enter. I will select this line object and delete. Okay, now we create line, start from this point to this point. Okay, and then I will create line, start from this point to the bottom here. Okay, we create line, start from this point to the left and give a dimension for this line object 510. Okay, you can zoom out. And we create a line object, start from this point to the bottom, give a dimension for this line object 1, and I will connect from this point to this point. Right click OK, we give distance from this point to this point in here 11.5 and enter. Okay, I will create dimension again from this point to this point. Okay, in here about 50 and enter. Next we create line, start from this point and you can zoom in, move to this point. Okay, use a trim command. I will cut this line object and in here. Okay, the last I will right click and OK. Now we use remove command to remove this object. You can click create and click remove. Okay, select profile. I will select this face, and axis I will select this line object. Okay, I will hide body one and we create a revolve again. Okay, first I will active sketch 1. We select this object face and axis, select this line object. Click OK to revolve. We hide body 2, and I will create revolve object. Select this profile and axis. I will select this line object. Okay, and click OK to revolve. Hide body 3. Now we create a line object. We can select this face, and we create a star from this point to the bottom here. Right click and OK. We give distance, start from this point to this point, 15, and I will move from this point to the bottom here. Can select this point and move to the bottom. Okay, select this line object, right click and click move or copy. I will move pivot to this point and click here to done. Now we can rotate about minus 30. Click OK to finish. Okay, I will stop sketch and I will unhide body 3. Okay, change into patch here. I will create extrude. Can select this line object and orbit this object. I will extrude to this point and click OK. Now I will move this object. You can click here, move or copy. We move to this direction and click OK. Next, I will use cut command. Can click here, split body, and select for body to split here. Splitting tools, I will select this plane and click OK to finish. Okay, we already create this object body 5. You can unhide body 4. Okay, next I will unhide body 2 and body 1. I will select body 5, body 3, and then you can right click, move or copy. Click check create a copy here, and I will move this body to this point. Click OK to finish. Okay, next I will create a polygon command. You can click sketch here and click polygon. I will use InScript polygon. Okay, select this face and we create a start from the center point to the top here. Okay, I will rotate and I will hide body 6. Okay, next use this model option and create extrude. Select this face. We extrude to this point direction and change into intersect. Click OK to finish. Okay, you can unhide body 6, and then I will hide body 7. Now unhide sketch 2, and we extrude this object to this direction about 40 and enter. Okay, next unhide body 7 and hide sketch 1 and sketch 2. Okay, we already create these 3D pencils, and I will apply material into this object. Click this render tab, and I will give material. You can click Friends. Okay, now I will select for another material like plastic. Okay, I will use blue material here. Can select this body 7 object and drop and drag to this object. Okay, I will give red material to this object, and I will use wood material here. You can click here wood, walnut. I will select this face and then this face. Okay, can drop and drag into this object. Okay, now I will use like a material. Okay, I will use this plastic mat. Can select to this object and move to this object. Okay, the last I will move into this object. Okay, I will move to the top here and give this material into this object red. Now change into metal material. I will use a metal material here. Okay, and I will use a chrome. Can move into this object. Close, appearance, and we need to edit scan setting. I will increase brightness. Okay, and close. Now we try to render this object. You can click here to render and waiting for a rendering process until finish to excellent rate. Okay, I think it's enough today for Fusion 360 3D Pencils tutorial practice exercise number 12. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in Fusion 360 3D modeling tutorial practice exercise number 13.